This bush or tree or whatever you call it makes a lot of noise when there's just the smallest of breeze going through it. Don't know if you can hear that. What do you think, Kiwi? Doesn't look like there's been water in here for a while. All the tumbleweeds seem to get stuck in here. Man, they're stuck in there pretty good.
Kiwi just gets closer and closer to Sparks. If you were taller, Kiwi, you could just stand up and Sparks would be dangling. Kiwi keeps running away.
Did you get her?
And then Sparks had her mouth up and had Kiwi by the lip over here.
And they circle the mountain. We were gonna come out on the river here in a little bit, and we saw a fire. Hopefully it's not a wildfire, but there's a smoke trail up there too. I don't know if it's the same. Looks like it's from a different fire because the wind is going that way. I think I hear people. Must be a controlled fire. I saw a pickup truck go that way this morning on the other side. All right, it's 80 degrees today. We got the boats. We drove the boats down there. So we're gonna take them out on the Colorado River. The very first time we will be on the river. On the Colorado River. Here's the beach we usually take the dog. She loves to run there. It was a little bit of an effort to get out here because it was pretty shallow back there. You're drifting into the... So if we stay out here in the deep, we're good till we want to go back. It's good current. Having fun now? How you doing back there? How you doing back there?
For as long as we've been pedaling, we're literally right just past the beach.
I know.
Well, now we know why there's no boats out there.
Okay, we're on the California side of the river right now. Go a couple feet over here and we're gonna go to Arizona. You're in Arizona and I'm in California. Okay, I'm gonna come over to Arizona with you. You're drifting. Okay, I'm in Arizona now. Now if I drift a little bit this way, I'll be right on the border. I think I'm just about right on the border. So we're in Arizona and California at the same time. Pretty cool, huh? Arizona, California. Can you believe it's January 13th? 14th? January? Ospreys. Ospreys.
Off the blade.
Nice. I'm not done yet.
That's a killer ball. Perfect.
Oh.
Really? No fun. Yeah, good roll. Good roll. Look at it come down. Just about. You want to come right in this way. Good one. Do it the same way except just skirt that ball there. Okay, okay, okay. Okay.
One red dot, Daisy's her second.
Okay, so we drove 15 minutes away from our campground to this is considered the Colorado Desert. The whole area is. This is the Big Maria Mountains back here. But we had to drive to something that I wanted to show. We were at the Blythe and Tiglio's. So we're gonna go look at those. There's 2 fenced off areas here for the first one. I get to go up there. And then I'll come back and maybe I'll put the drone up. Okay, here's the first one. Almost gotta go look at it from the other way. Put him up. It's a human figure. It's about 65 feet long. Oh, this one's 102, I think. And there's one over here. This is an animal. I think they think it's a mountain lion, although it looks more like a deer. But there were no, it looks more like a horse, but there are no horses here back then, so they think it was a mountain lion. But why couldn't it have been a deer? Aren't there any deer here? An animal and a spiral figure. You don't see it? So they made these by removing the dark rock, exposing the underground, the under surface. See how that black rock? Just remove that and it's lighter color under the surface, and that's how they did that. Pretty cool. Okay, we drove up to the second one, so we'll make our trek up there. Sorry for the wind. You gotta think that the reason they did this is so someone from the skies could see, possibly, you know, a god. But apparently in 1932, a guy was flying over from Las Vegas. He was going from Las Vegas to California, and he spotted these. So he's the one that's supposedly the first one to discover them. They've dated it somewhere between 900 BC and 1000 AD. So these are at least 1,000 years old, possibly 3,000 years old. They say they're possibly prehistoric. So yeah, there's three main areas here. This is the second area. The first area had the animal and the person. This one's just another person, and then the other one I believe is down here somewhere, and it has another person and another animal. So we'll hit that. But there's supposedly 260 of them out here in the Colorado desert, and it's the only place in the United States you'll find these. And we're fortunate to be camped just 15 miles away from it. Colorado River is right here, where all those trees are. And we're camped out pretty far down there, you can't see. And again, these are the Big Maria Mountains. And actually, that's Arizona over there, on the other side of the river. Everything looks so small on the camera. It's a lot closer in person, believe me. It looks more like that in person. These people here in the truck, they had to race in front of me, around me. I wasn't going fast enough down the dirt road. So he's a madman.